all my videos work out. But in this case, this is no exception. We dragged the Argo to 1400 meters elevation in Australia during snow season. We just happen to be close to about 2 or 3 locations where you can see snow in Australia, and didn't drive the Argo. In the time it took us to get from the hill, we started before sunup, and by the time we got there, most of the snow had melted, which happens. The timing just didn't work out, and with our time frame and responsibilities, there's only about 2 or 3 times in a year where we have the opportunity to maybe see snow. This is the first time in about 3 years we've been able to do it. I was hoping to get some footage of the Argo in snow in Australia without tracks, get something pretty unique. I failed in this. We used about 60 to 65 litres of diesel for 88 kilometres because of the weight and the climbing and all the rest. So I hope it's an interesting video. Enjoy the B-roll footage that didn't turn into an episode. Until now. Well, it's a super dark morning. You can't see much. We're at a campsite prepping to go to the snow today. And batteries have got very low with the wife's CPAP in the night. I'm down to 22 volts, or 21.5 in fact. So I've got to find a way to get the generator started without waking up all the neighbouring campers. Which means I've probably got to get in the roof box, get the long lead out. Alright, well I've put my full 30 metre lead out and I put it behind a tree. It's relatively quiet over here, so hopefully it doesn't wake anybody up. It's almost sunrise, and let's check our battery volts. Where are we at? So 26.2, that's a lot better than 21.5. Alright, now I can charge my phone. It's on 20%. Well, it's a bit lighter now, and the Magpie Mafia have spotted us, so we're going to have to pay our security payment. And these guys are usually always watching. Here they go. How you doing, buddies? What have we got today? We have a male and a female. You can tell by the feathers on their backs. Going to start with breakfast of champions. This is ration pack muesli. I'm going to put this in, a bit of hot water and some milk with it. And then we'll start talking like a human being. Alright, so it's a bit further on in the day. We can actually see what we're doing. It's about -1 in the hills at the moment. And we're waiting on an escort to show up. Whether he'll go up into the hills with us is another matter, but he's dropping off some supplies. And then hopefully we can get going. Alright, so Resup has come. He's got to go and get some medication, so he's not going to follow us up. It's just popped up above 0 degrees in the mountains, so we're warming up. Going to head up there. Hopefully I'll get some GoPro on the way. Most of our footage is going to be once I get the helmet cam out and get the Argo off. We'll see how we go for that. We're about an hour off, and I have gout, so my toe hurts, but ibuprofen to the rescue. See how we go. Right, this is the fire tower accommodation. This is the fire tower here. This is not the one I served on, but I have done routine maintenance on the transmitter here. There's also like an emergency paging transmitter, telephones and stuff. Sounds like the generator's running. It is indeed. And there's some other 4Bs have come up here as well. Just had a chat with some guys. Well, my apprentice didn't, it's windy, my apprentice didn't need any instruction on what to do. Alright, well before I take off, there is one tradition we've got to do. I've been doing this since a kid. So we take a hunk of snow, we stick it on the bonnet, see how long it lasts. This 4B's coming through every 10 minutes here. Alright. All that up here. Alright, now we'll see how long it takes to melt on the way home. Alright, well it's a long way to drag an Argo not to use it, but I guess if we needed it and didn't have it, wouldn't be a problem. Now apprentice, do you want to change to, change this to the right, you want to change this to right hand fuel tank? That one? Yep. Alright, leave that out. I'll get you to put 6-wheel drive in a minute. And back up. Look like a sheepdog. In a minute. Oh no, that's cold. That should be up a bit. There we go. Alright. Let's go. Back to camp with a little bit of snow. Oh, see if the apprentice wants it. Here you go, here's your bit of snow. There you go, we made it back with snow on the bonnet. Well, I didn't drive the Argo anywhere today, but sure looks like I did. So I hope that was of some interest to you. I'm trying to make use of this. I'm still working through all my edit folder. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you reckon. I'm going to work on some better, properly formed videos with scripts in the near future. And I've got a guy coming down to help me out at the moment as well. He's staying in the 6-wheel drive at the moment. So hopefully we'll collaborate with some more Land Rover related videos and maybe some Argo stuff too. We'll see what happens. Generally don't script my videos, but maybe I need to start. Anyway, discuss in the comments. Maybe leave me a thumbs up if you like it. And we'll move on to the next video. See you later.